Music. Need to check your credit score? This video reviews CreditRepair.com's free credit score tool. Links are in the description. This tool offers a simple way to monitor your FICO score and track your credit building progress. CreditRepair.com is known for credit repair, but this tool is for anyone wanting to understand their credit better. You get regular score updates, plus a detailed report explaining what's impacting your score, payment history, credit utilization, and more. It even offers personalized tips to improve your score. The dashboard is super user-friendly, showing your score's changes and clear next steps. If you need extra help, CreditRepair.com's paid services offer deeper tools and expert support. Whether rebuilding your credit or aiming for a higher score, this tool empowers you to take control. It's informative, easy to use, and offers personalized insights for real results. Check the description to start using it today.